Ever struggled with exposing the right set of tools to different users while keeping internal utilities hidden? You'll see exactly how FastMCP's tag-based filtering lets you precisely control component visibility, whether you need to show only public tools, hide deprecated ones, or combine both rules for fine-grained access control.
Hash only expose components tagged with public. MCP equals FastMCP. Include tags equals public. Hash hide components tagged as internal or deprecated. MCP equals FastMCP. Exclude tags equals internal, deprecated. Hash combine both. Show admin tools but hide deprecated ones. MCP equals FastMCP. Include tags equals admin. Exclude tags equals deprecated.
This demonstrates tag-based component filtering, a declarative access control pattern for modular systems. The approach uses metadata tags to categorize components, then applies include-exclude rules at runtime to create different visibility profiles. Unlike role-based access control, this pattern decouples component definition from exposure logic, enabling dynamic server configurations without modifying component code. The filtering works through set operations on component tags, where include tags act as a whitelist and exclude tags as a blacklist, with exclusions always taking precedence. This creates a composable visibility system where the same server instance can expose different subsets of functionality to different clients simply by changing the tag rules. The pattern maintains separation of concerns by keeping access logic in the server configuration rather than scattering it across individual components. This approach solves the problem of environment-specific component exposure without code duplication or complex inheritance hierarchies. It's particularly valuable for multi-tenant systems, versioned APIs, or progressive feature rollouts where you need to maintain a single code base while presenting different interfaces to different consumers. The trade-off is slightly increased metadata management, but the flexibility gained in deployment scenarios typically outweighs this cost. Let's break it down line by line.
Hash only expose components tagged with public. MCP equals FastMCP. Include tags equals public.
This instantiates FastMCP with tag-based filtering, exposing only components explicitly tagged as public. Tag filtering controls which tools are visible to AI models, enforcing a clear public API boundary while keeping internal components hidden.
Hash hide components tagged as internal or deprecated. MCP equals FastMCP. Exclude tags equals internal, deprecated.
This applies tag-based exclusion to hide any components marked as internal or deprecated from the AI interface. It's a security and maintenance pattern that prevents accidental exposure of unstable or sensitive tools while keeping them available in the codebase. The set syntax ensures both tags are treated as exclusion criteria.
Hash combine both. Show admin tools but hide deprecated ones. MCP equals FastMCP. Include tags equals admin. Exclude tags equals deprecated.
This demonstrates tag-based filtering with both inclusion and exclusion rules. The configuration ensures only admin-tagged tools are exposed while explicitly hiding deprecated ones, creating a precise access control pattern. This is the standard approach for managing tool visibility in production environments. Tag-based filtering pattern. FastMCP's include-exclude tag system transforms component visibility from static declarations into dynamic access policies, where presence is defined by absence and exposure by exclusion. The exclude tags parameter always overrides include tags when conflicts occur, creating a silent veto system. This pattern enables environment-specific server configurations without modifying component definitions.
The component that hides itself becomes the most visible.